In this video, I'll show you how to automate Pipedrive with Zapier. Start by signing into your Zapier account. From the dashboard, click Create, then select Zap to create a new automation. Next, click the trigger step and search for Pipedrive. Select it as your trigger app, then choose the event you want to use, such as New Deal, Updated Deal, or New Person. After that, connect your Pipedrive account by signing in and authorizing Zapier to access your CRM. Once connected, test the trigger to make sure Zapier can retrieve data from your account. Now click the action step and choose the app you want to connect with Pipedrive, such as Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, or another supported service. Select the action event and connect that account as well. Next, map the fields from Pipedrive to the action app, then run a test to verify that the automation works as expected. Finally, give your Zap a name and click Publish to turn it on. Your automation will now run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to automate Pipedrive with Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.